Enabling and disabling Canvas tools. As an instructor, you can control which links appear in course navigation. Course navigation is the list of tools on the left side of the screen to the right of the red global menu bar. Canvas includes a set of default Canvas course navigation links that are shown by default and cannot be renamed. Depending on the course configuration, other links may be available and may be customizable. To enable or disable Canvas tools, navigate to Settings within the Canvas course. At the top of the page, course tabs will appear that read Course Details, Sections, Navigation, Apps, Feature Options, and Integrations. Click on Navigation. As you can see, the tools to the left within the course navigation toolbar mirror the tools within navigation. To disable a tool, click on the tool and drag and drop it down. For instance, by clicking on Pages and drag and dropping it down, I'm disabling it. To enable a tool, for instance, clicking on Zoom, I'm dragging and dropping it up to enable it. Do not forget to scroll down and click Save, or your elections will be lost. Now the changes are reflected in the course navigation menu. So for instance, Zoom is now visible because I just enabled it, and Pages is no longer visible because I just disabled it. Navigation links display in the same order that they were designed in course settings. Navigating back to the Navigation tab, a tool may also be moved by clicking on 3 dots within the toolbar for that specific tool's name. For instance, clicking on the 3 dots next to Modules, and by clicking on Move. A panel displays and allows me to choose the location from a drop-down menu by clicking on this caret. Options are before, after, or at the bottom. So for instance, if I select at the bottom and move, that particular modules tool will be moved to the bottom of this menu. When clicking on the 3 dots, the option also appears to disable. For instance, clicking on the 3 dots next to Discussions, Disable is available, and once I click Disable, it will move that specific tool, in this case Discussions, to the very bottom of the disabled tool list. Again, when selecting preferences, do not forget to click Save. However, it is much more efficient to drag and drop tools opposed to clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Move or Disable. It's also important to note here that the Roster Photos tool is only visible to teaching teams, and this is the one exception, where it is only visible to teaching teams whether or not it is enabled or disabled. Second, any course navigation link that is hidden from students will display this visibility icon. A link may be hidden to students because the feature has no content within that tool, or because the link is disabled. It's one of the 2 options. Links that are manually disabled by a course instructor display at the bottom of the course navigation menu above the settings link. If you disable or hide a course navigation link to an external tool, its link does not always display in course navigation and is hidden to all course users, including instructors. If you have any questions, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. Have a lovely day.